welcome back to the show. Jandula is allegedly based in Balochistan, but the border between the two countries allows more than terrorists into Pakistan. Our correspondent Saeed Ali Shah reports from Quetta.
The markets in the provincial capital of Balochistan are rife with smuggled Iranian goods. Given their quality and low price, Iranian products are the best-selling commodities in this market, located in the commercial hub of the city. Here, most shopkeepers are Afghan nationals who earn their livelihood by selling these products. People say the closure of the border affects the flow of goods.
एक तो ताल्लुकात अगर हमारे अच्छे हों, वहाँ से माल का रसद होगा, ज़्यादा होगा, कीमतें कम होंगी, इफ़ेक्ट होगा, पब्लिक के लिए बड़ी सहूलत होगी। अब वहाँ पे जब हालात कशीदा हों और बॉर्डर आपका सील हो, माल आना बंद हो, तो कीमतें बढ़ जाएंगी, तो फिर मजबूरन इफ़ेक्ट तो होगा इस गरीब आदमी को ही।
The jobs of thousands of people in this part of country are linked with smuggled Iranian goods. In fact, most parts of Balochistan depend on cheap smuggled Iranian petrol and diesel. Scores of people pass through the zero point on daily basis for trade activities at the Taftan border between Pakistan and Iran. But the frequent closure of the border has severely affected trade activities at Taftan.
भाईचारा होना चाहिए, हाँ दोस्ती हो जानी चाहिए, यहाँ से माल आए वहाँ से जाए।
ईरान पाकिस्तान का ताल्लुकात अच्छा होना चाहिए, मतलब क्योंकि लोग ले जाते हैं ईरानी सामान ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, क्योंकि अभी सर्फ पाकिस्तानी है, सर्फ एक्सेल उतना महंगा है ना, हर किसी का बस का नहीं है। फिर गरीब बंदे लोग जो है वस से बाहर है, नहीं खरीद सकते, वो ईरानी सामान ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
Recent attacks in the Iranian province of Sistan Balochistan have disrupted the routine life of people living on both sides of the border. Ethnic Baloch living on Pakistani side of the border have suffered the worst, since they are totally dependent on Iran for goods and to a large extent jobs.
यार मेरे ख्याल में मैं अपने ये अर्ज़ करूँगा दोस्त के दो हमसाया अपने घरों में रह रहे हों, दरमियान में एक दीवार है, अगर उनके ताल्लुकात अच्छे नहीं हैं तो बहुत तकलीफ़ से उनके दिन गुजरते हैं। यहाँ हमने हमसायों की हैसियत से रहना है और मेरा ख्याल है कि बैसियत मुसलमान मुल्क है उसके साथ हमारे बहुत बेहतर ताल्लुकात होने चाहिए।
The two brotherly neighboring countries cannot afford strained relations. Aside from enjoying a constructive relationship, the proposed Iran-Pakistan gas pipeline is likely to serve as a source of energy and jobs for the people of Balochistan. The governments of the two countries need to find a solution so that the people can benefit. Saeed Ali Shah, Dawn News, Quetta.
It is obviously in Pakistan's interest to sort out this mess with Iran. And it's not just about the gas pipeline. Pakistan already has a resentful Afghanistan to the northwest and a hostile India in the east. But that's all the time we have for this week on Eye of the Storm. If you have any questions, comments or feedback, do write into us at thestorm@dawnnews.tv. I'm Amba Shamsi. See you next week.